How to clean the dustbin and filters on your Samsung Jet vacuum cleaner. Step 1. Disassembly. Press the dustbin release button to detach the dustbin. While pressing the dustbin release button, pull the dustbin downwards to detach it from the main body, then pull it forwards to remove. Turn the fine dust filter in the direction of the arrow to unlock it, then detach it by pulling it downwards. Hold the inner side of the washable microfilter and lift it out to remove. While pressing the dustbin release button, turn the metal mesh grille filter to the right to unlock it, then lift it upwards to separate it from the dustbin. Step 2. Cleaning. Use the combination tool to remove dust and debris from the metal mesh grille filter. Empty the dust and debris from each detached part into a bin. Clean all parts thoroughly under running water. Leave all parts to dry completely in a shaded area. Step 3. Reassembly. Align the line below the dustbin release button with the open lock icon, then turn the metal mesh grille filter to the left to reassemble. Reinsert the washable microfilter, ensuring it is correctly aligned. Insert the fine dust filter into the main body and turn it to the right to lock it in place. If the line below the lock icon on the fine dust filter is no longer visible, it has been assembled correctly. Align the dustbin release button and the latch on the rear of the dustbin with the main body, then push to reassemble. You will hear a click when the dustbin is correctly assembled onto the main body.